The search engine business is big money as they vie for your attention into visiting their website. In Internet Explorer, Microsoft makes it easy to use your favorite search engine without having to add toolbars that take up precious screen space. Open Internet Explorer. And at the top, click Tools, and then click Manage Add-ons. Now the Manage Add-ons dialog box will open, and on the left, let's click Search Providers. In most cases, you will see Bing listed as the default search provider. Let me show you how you can add your favorite search provider and make it the default one for every search that you perform. Down here at the bottom left, where it says Find More Search Providers, click on that link, and it opens up Internet Explorer Gallery. Now what you do is you scroll down to find your desired search provider, and on mine I have Google and I have Ask already installed, so why don't I put Bing on there so that I can show you how it's done. Once you find the search engine that you want to use, you click on it just once, and then you click Add to Internet Explorer. Now it's going to pop up a box here that gives you the opportunity to change it and make it the default search provider. This means that every time you do a search, that it's going to use Bing or whichever one you select. All you need to do is check mark that box right there, and then down below it says if an address I type in the address bar can't be found, open the top search result. So you can have that box check marked as well or not. Now if you check mark use search suggestions from this provider, when you're typing in your search terms, it's going to show terms based on the information that you've typed in already, and it's going to show those results instantly, and it'll do it from that provider. So if you want that to happen as well, check mark that box. Click Add when you're ready. Click the back arrow up here at the top left. This takes you back to the home page of Internet Explorer Gallery. Go ahead and add any other search engines that you want to add. It says right here that there are 133 results, so 133 search engines essentially. Once you're done, close the Explorer Gallery window. Go ahead and close the Manage Add-ons window. You'll notice that it doesn't appear in there yet. Well, you have to close it first, and then you have to reopen it. So go back to Internet Explorer, click on Tools, and click on Manage Add-ons just like we did before. Then go to the left and click on Search Providers, and there it'll show Bing was added and changed to my default search provider. Now, before we click Close down here to save our changes, go down here and make sure that there's a check mark in this box that says Search in the address bar, and I'll tell you why. Once you check mark that box, go ahead and click Close. And then close any open windows. Now go ahead and open Internet Explorer. I have mine open up to a blank page, so it's just faster that way for me. Now, let's say for example I wanted to find a ski resort in Utah. All you need to do, typically most people would have opened up their favorite search engine and typed in the question right here on the search engine's website page, correct? Well, now you can just go up to the top and type in your question here. We're just going to ask it about ski resorts in Utah. Okay, now remember when I selected Bing as my default search provider? Well, that's the one it's going to use, and it's going to show the results down below. If I had Google as my default search provider, it would have shown the results in a Google page. Pretty simple, isn't it? So what this means is, it means that you don't have to have your home page set to any one search provider. You can set it to something that you really want to look at. The convenience of searching from the address bar, well, it saves you time and it saves you clicks. It means that you don't have to have any of those toolbars added onto your Internet Explorer, taking up space up there. I always recommend that you uninstall or at least disable all toolbars, because in most cases their only purpose is to send information back to the company who owns the toolbar. So it's collecting your usage data. How much of it? Who really knows? I want to thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions, you can contact me at scott@MicroScottPro.com. This is Scott Lindsay wishing you happy computing.